The Windows 7 Start button at the lower left corner of the desktop has been replaced by the Windows logo. Pressing the logo key on the keyboard is the same as clicking the logo on the desktop. You are watching a Tom's Tech Notes video. If you like this video, please wait until you are finished watching it, then click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page. A welcome video will play to describe my other videos. For multiple key presses, hold down the keyboard logo key, then press the other key. The format of the left column has changed from Windows 7. It now shows symbols but no names. If you hover over the symbols, it will show you the name of the item. This would show your name. If you click this item, it lets you change account settings, lock, or sign out your computer. Clicking this symbol opens the File Explorer that lets you navigate around and open files that are stored on your computer. This is the Settings gear wheel. It opens the Windows Settings window. And this is the Power Options that lets you put your computer to sleep, shut it down, or restart. Some other differences on this menu from Windows 7. If you click the symbol at the upper left corner, it will hide the list of the apps on the computer and will show the names of the symbols that are in the left column. Notice that the app list is a little different from Windows 7. The apps list now, as of the Windows 10 2016 anniversary update, starts with a list of recently added programs, which may have an expand button if the list is too long to fit, followed by a list of the most used apps, followed by an alphabetical list of all apps stored on your computer. There is a difference in what happens when you right-click an app. When you right-click one of the items on the apps list that has files that open in that app, you get a list of the files you've opened recently, and you can open one of those files again by clicking it. You also have some options to open a new tab, open a new window, a new private window, things like that. At the top of that list, you have the choice Pin to Start, More, and Uninstall. They rearranged this pop-up, this part of the pop-up slightly, so that if you hover over More, you then have the choice to unpin or pin to the taskbar, depending on whether that program's already pinned. And you can run that app as an administrator. You can open the file location containing the app, or you can remove it from the list it was in if it was in the recently added list or the most used list. You can't remove it from the list of all apps that starts here. If you right-click on an app that doesn't have files that you can open in that app, for instance Solitaire, the choices are more limited. Pin to Start, Uninstall, and again, if you wanted to pin that app to the taskbar, you hover over More, and that's one of the choices over there. This particular one, they actually have a Rate and Review choice and a Share choice also. The Start menu has a list of apps on the right side that you are able to pin there by right-clicking the app and selecting Pin to Start menu, or you can pin an app to the Start menu by just dragging it from the list. Notice that when I pinned WordPad to the Start menu, it did remove it from the most used list. If I had pinned an app from the alphabetical list down here, it would not remove it from that list. You can, of course, unpin an app, and I'm going to unpin the one I just dragged by right-clicking it and select Unpin from Start. You can drag them around to change their order. You can drag them from there down onto the taskbar if you want to pin them on the taskbar. That doesn't remove them from the Start menu, it just pins them to the taskbar. And of course, to unpin them, you can right-click them, select Unpin from Taskbar. Some of those operations are similar to those in Windows 7. Some of them are a little different. There's another menu that you can open from the Windows logo. Right-click the Windows logo or press Windows X on the keyboard to show this menu. It gives a lot of system functions that you can execute. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page to watch my other videos.